and gentlemen, greetings, and welcome to another episode of the Upper Life Show. I'm your girl, Dilka Browners, Dragon All Star on the Wheels of Steel, Bread, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Mad One. Anywhere in the world, one of them big up on itself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. So make sure that you go to their Instagram page and check out all their weekly events. That is the place to be on a weekly, yeah? And before I forget, Earth strong blessings to DJ Chino, the cool kid. Make sure say enjoy your day, my G. Big up and blessed love.
You know the thing, though. Up here strong in the Chino. You don't know the thing. Up here strong Valiant as well.
Oh, yes.
You know, is one more youth to share that day, you know, two great youth them.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. As we run much that say, eat a food, youth.
Eat a food, my general. And big up to big up to Auntie Gina upon your birthday, you know.
You know the thing, though.
Greatness, is it me? How are you guys? How was your weekends? Oh, no, look so tired.
I'm tired, you know, and stressed.
Tuesday. This is just the second day of the third day of the week.
Come on,
man. You should be on a
14-day marathon at work. I don't know if
14 days.
I should even search my life.
Police, we got nothing to do with it.
As long as you ball feet illegal, as long as you're not forcing
yeah,
yourself.
man, the side, one thing, man. You know, say,
you want to carry documents.
Yeah, man, paper there, paperwork.
All right.
As long as you're not forced-head.
Yeah.
Forced-head. All right, though.
Yeah, well, good, man. Nice.
Yeah, how was the weekend?
Weekend? What going on for that weekend for me?
Only parting
No, me actually have a new partnership with some a little posh club, but I kind of like it. Big up my David Lides people.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
So work was the order of the day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you know?
It's a real rich.
Yeah, that is it.
Cool, man.
I saw real rich over there, but we'll talk about that next time.
Yeah. Breadback, fix your
Breadback.
talker phone from now, please.
What's wrong with it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
How was your
it's
weekend?
slow. Just work and Beijing have a local party and go party and enjoy yourself.
Hold on, you know, every week you forward there. You don't know how to use the equipment. You have to project your voice into the
Stars already.
equipment.
You see it? We try it
alright.
at a room temperature.
No, but
volume.
the people them.
All right, hear me I say.
We don't need ever shout. So,
This is the regular tone.
Yeah.
alright.
Weekend gone, just one party. And Bridget and some friend party, she keep our party at thing. School uniform and them something lazy.
So you're gonna
No,
bush
I'm got
jacket and tie?
jeans there for me that day there.
Oh,
Yeah.
so why you know Sabri's always not adhere to your rules there, but it's alright.
No, because sometimes I see the flyer, but I mean, see the flyer, but it's do the date.
Oh, but at least the most important thing is you were there in body
Yeah.
to go and support. You understand?
Yeah.
Dragon All Star was the weekend.
The weekend go on good, man. I don't know the weekend go on good. You see me?
That's it. Yeah.
No, the weekend go on good. Hold on, man.
Oh,
let me take me like a time and
Sorry.
just big up the people who keep them events over the weekend.
Yes.
You know, we got a specific party this Sunday, and I have to commend.
The promoters
Should
and the organizers.
should we just go ahead and call them name?
Yeah, because people go.
I want to commend Diamond Cut Zone, you know. Big up Diamond Cut Zone. I
Yeah.
go to an event this Sunday. You know, unfortunately, when you know, me no normally late for nothing, you know. I run a bit late. My apology. Miss my little slot. That go on, but big
Don't
up Diamond
little
Cut
bit
Zone.
thing,
The event was well promoted, well sorted out.
Well put
The
together.
venue was good. The organization of the event was good. This is one I think that when I cuss from what they want me say, yo, promoter, sound of the video, because you know, you go in, you get a little lanyard, the man them say, yo, the DJ bar over there, so DJ them nice, you know, security has security, the whole of the DJ them thing. Birds, you can learn something from this, you know.
Pay attention.
You see me? Right now, I could in a million fight, you know, them couldn't rush me over there, because remember, DJ them have security. You see me? So big up Diamond Cut Zone, you know, the sound that play good, you know, big up Terror Tone Sound. Big up all of the selected them who juggle on the night. The music was nice, the vibe was good. The girl them come out in them white and looking beautiful, looking, you know.
Was this a Soundman party?
Yeah, man, Terror Tone Sound, man.
Okay.
Not Terror Tone,
Diamond
Cut Sound.
Okay,
Diamond Cut Sound. You know, it's their event.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice little party, so
No,
we
but
do
some-
have to big them up.
But no, for the promoter, them are going better now with the parties them. Cause I see like them are trying to do like a fix up now.
They're trying to, and
People
I mean,
not
it's
try them
about
up.
time.
The venue
Yeah.
big and spacious, you know. Them have all DJ parking separate. Where you ever see that yet?
It's a well thought out
That's
production.
cool,
Big
man.
up, big
yo.
up Diamond
Big
Cuts.
up
I don't
Diamond
know
Cuts,
about
son,
big
you know.
up as I
When you
say.
tag them, cause the youth them are go on good.
It was well put together when you
You
look
know,
at it.
and the man them
Yeah.
juggling the man and where the party as well. So you have to give respect where it's due.
Yeah, but you see when you come on to this is what I don't understand. I said this is why they are a crazy party, they are crazy party. I got a crazy party and you know when a DJ party, a whole heap of selector did it. And it's like everybody are wait upon like a start time, like to play, like a set to play.
Right.
Me feel like say when a DJ party, a colleagues party, it don't really matter where you play. Or sometimes it think we all mixed too. Sometimes if you want to pack up there as DJ or 5, 6, you know, just gang up and just do a thing and hold a vibe.
Right.
You know what? I kind of like.
Me not like that gang up.
I like
word,
the
this
gang
bang.
No,
the
no, stop.
No,
Rick,
no,
it's
Calm down,
too early.
time out.
It's way too early for this, bro.
Calm down, my friend.
Early.
But in terms of the running of the party and where the DJ them come play, I like how everybody stick to them script.
Yeah.
Nobody never get no set music we play. But it's not that. I like how DJ them play and then play with no ego. The man them play with them play. Cause
no, but they know what to play. Every DJ know what to play.
the man them just play them little section, you know, from Billy dance, you know. Nobody not try rush and go too hard to say me boss the party.
You know what that come down to? Respect at the promoter. And you see, because you work different ways, you know. Because a man can decide, say, all right, he might come, he want to make a quick money pull up and he want to be the boss the dance tonight. Or he can say, yo, you know, it's a dog party this, I'm not waste the party and make sure your party go good and make a juggle according to what we play. Because you can have the selector will know him to play a certain way. Like, if me go listen to Alan Brando, me know say Alan Brando have a sick reggae segment.
Yes.
So yeah, look for him playing one job. But
guess
but
what?
listen,
Hold
let me
on,
finish
hold
now. But if I selector, if say Natural Mystic just don't play a while ago, Natural Mystic play one bad reggae, me not expect Alan Brando to go play. I know him can play other thing, but him I go adapt and play something else.
But then
because
it forwards down to wisdom within watching the party, seeing
Exactly.
how the DJ then play. And we spoke about this
Exactly.
a couple months ago.
In terms of the running order for the party, like obviously, like I should play little bit before Capo. When I forward there, obviously I forward late. You know they don't know be red black or Brixton, and you know everywhere black up from more there and the red and black off and be a thing. Me reach late, unfortunately, I miss some set. You know, Capo play a nice reggae set. One never hear Capo play reggae.
That's true.
That me I
That's
tell you.
true.
But
Una
that's
really
that.
hear
That's
Capo.
true.
But that you see what me tell her?
Capo always, you know, what do I say? At the prime times.
Him a chop your line.
You know, but him play a nice little reggae set.
No, but
you
he
know,
only
mellow.
did that because of the respect of this. Me don't know who's Terratone,
And
but
No,
No,
Diamond Cut. is
Diamond
the
Diamond Cut.
Diamond cut.
So,
Yeah.
You see,
It was Terratone
Wait,
sound
wait.
string up, but it was Diamond cut
Cuts event.
party.
Okay. Go
but
ahead.
that shows like a certain respect for the event and the promotion and because he could have decided say yo, you know what time it is and when you see me, you know what time we're going, you know. And he just knows all right that type of jogging you know fit the party and a party. Cause enough time we see selector know say that part of jogging in a reaching a party, but he knows if he can't play 2-3 songs and start convincing them say yo. Every girl will come out with them rare or any man have their money and start play a chopper song, then more get a money pull up and more get a vibes, more change the energy right away. But in decide for holding on and holding lane and the party benefit because of that.
If a DJ core will line, you know, cause you know me they think me don't kill with some
It's
hip hop.
hip-hop, yeah.
Him come and hold the line. You see me, him see what go on and him hold the line. So you know, big up Corey, cause you know when I talk about uptown,
Yeah.
Corey that you know,
Sir
him
DJ
never
Corey
really
for
go
you.
uptown, you know. One night time I see him do some little bad mixing one. You know it's right to have a little instrumental thing. Two hip hop rhythm pan some dancehall and just fling it back real quick. Big up Corey, see me, you know.
And shout
Him
out
hold
to-
the line.
Shout out to
Big up English Fire as well. English Fire, them say 2-3 money you forget. Remember, you forget the MC money. Capo needs to pay and Corey needs to pay. So
As
make
a
sure
whole.
so you get your piece of food, you know.
Cool,
You
man.
don't know English Fire, big up. Big up the whole I selected them with.
Yes.
Forward out. Mix Master as well.
Dims
You
and
know,
Laws, Sound Supreme,
Mix
Fats and Ace.
Yeah, Mix Master
Capo,
come
Mix-
out all a vibe. Terratone come out all a vibes as well. So you have to big up the selected them with come and go on with
Swivel,
them thing.
Loyal Squad,
Yeah.
and Diamond Cut themselves. So yeah, that was a good event. Other events happened over the weekend, but I mean we're time.
Yeah, big up
Is that-
Andrew Fresh event. Me never
Oh,
over the
yes.
brighter days.
Andrew
It's a
Fresh
good look. You don't know the
happened on
party.
Saturday. Well supported.
Well supported and be things, you know.
Yeah,
But you know, some like a streaming's go on, but we'll come over talk about that.
yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Moving right along. Shout out to Andrew Fresh and the team that hosted Brighter Days. I mean, as per usual, Andrew Fresh always get good support.
Yeah, man, Andrew Fresh
And it
party,
matters
so
not
laugh, man.
wherever he brings the party, whether south, north,
Yeah.
east, west, he always gets the support that he deserves. And anybody who missed that event here, look out for it next year.
I think in a sense, you know, me have a writ against Andrew Fresh.
Here comes the writ.
Me have no.
Here
listen,
comes the
Smarter
writ.
than
with
that.
Rick.
Someone that like reading, you know, brother.
certain things, you know, me someone, you know, me can't really.
Can't keep it in.
No, me
It's not
can't.
as
Me is
fun.
not a freezer.
Who? Oh,
Not a freezer. But you know me, I say
Go
still
ahead.
with Andrew
No
Fresh.
fridge.
I see Andrew Fresh, regardless of what people want. So this is my opinion.
Yeah.
Andrew Fresh is one of the biggest. He's the biggest
One
DJ
of.
from,
One
the
of.
biggest selector from England in terms of
Dancehall
reach,
scene.
dancehall
Okay.
scene, and everything else. Maybe not be as you think say the best or whatever, but he's very capable.
Right.
So I think him are the benchmark for everything dancehall in a UK.
What do you mean by benchmark?
No,
Clarify
no,
that.
I think he should be the benchmark because if you're looking for the leader in a UK dancehall, you have to have him in the conversation. So
Yeah,
in
but
terms
could you
of
clarify the
Oh,
benchmark?
so let me finish what I finish. What me talk about, what me mean say like the person who stands out the most.
Yeah.
The person who, if you think about UK dancehall and
His
selectors,
name has
Yeah.
to be
the
mentioned.
name have to be mentioned. So these is not like when we talk about what me I refer to is more like the party scene and his influence to pull. So the reason why I'm saying this now is the venues and the locations need to be like they need to become a way where we can find for upgrade so we can get like better venues, like so we can use like
A banqueting suite, something like that. Theater,
not even say a banqueting suite, say like you know them with the O2 Academy or something like that.
One of
It's
Indigo them are.
one of the Indigo them. I feel like it's supposed to reach a level there because the only way you can get those people for come to such an event, you need tremendous pulling power, and I feel like him can garner as much pulling power to get people come out there. So, and that's the direction we need to be looking at in order to make the thing look like more official.
Right. Steel City has disagreed with you, saying that Andrew is the top.
That's my opinion,
he
brother.
says that he's third. Steel City, if you're not too busy, give us a ring at 079
Why Steel City?
72282. Join the conversation. I could hear your point.
More I hear you because
Anybody else who has anything to share or add to this, you can call us at 079 444 72282. This is quite interesting because I'm very curious as
Me
to
nah
hear
lie.
the first
Yeah.
and
right
second
now,
places.
right now, what me see so far, me not going Andrew Fresh. I him I run things.
Right.
Seeing him put in the work over the years and he is consistent. So right now, at the moment, you have to say Andrew for now. You don't
It's
know.
been Andrew for years.
You have to say Andrew
and then
because
If
we
years.
can't say Andrew right through, you know, because you don't know young youth them are forward upon thing. But at the moment, now is Andrew.
Remember now, the dancer, listen. All right, how me judge things. Remember the change of the music. You see a lot of DJ fall off. Remember the time. Remember between said 2019 to 2023. Lockdown.
Enough of them dead.
A lot of the DJs fade out because the music changed. And the crowd changed. So obviously your fan base grow with you.
Right.
So enough of them obviously enough of them get older.
Right.
So
Yeah.
you gotta have the between the 30 to 40 year old
Right.
is the crowd when we go out, but they don't go out every week. You see the crowd from 20 to 30, them they are every pan knock.
Yeah, I think they select the parties that they're actually going to go.
Exactly.
Or attend to.
So,
Them
yeah,
not, them
the
not go Monday straight to Sunday.
No.
Them go, all right, then next week a Rick party and Brett's party. Me go them two there, but I mean, them not gonna weekly party them.
But you
like
see
that.
the difference I'm trying to show with Andrew is throughout the years, Andrew's maintained to keep the 18 to 25 crowd following him regardless.
And okay, so that's what you say. How can Brett's is quite quiet tonight.
Yeah,
you
Brett, me don't know
disagree?
what I go on. Brett look like him
What's-
stressed out.
what's
No,
But
your
listen.
any
opinion
idea?
on
Yes,
it?
all right. You see this kind of. You see, it's because you know fall from south. I mean, they are not. Me, I give a different insight
Perspective.
from. But uno there a south where with Andrew, so obviously uno more acquaintant with week to week in my place. So when me hear little laughing from Brett,
Brett,
me know
you're-
something
you've been-
else there.
You've
Wait,
been
wait,
quite
I said, Brett,
quiet.
you have something different
share
to
your
say.
opinion.
Ta.
I ain't got nothing to say.
And could you speak in the talkaphone so the people in Panama Live can hear you, please?
I have nothing to say on this topic.
Is there a
Hold
particular
the line,
reason
my boss. 1 second.
as
There's
to
no
why?
reason. I just-
Okay, cool. We're
just
gonna take the
something I
call.
have to say.
Greetings, 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 and well, I'm introducing the show. Walk on, caller. Big up yourself.
Greetings.
Is that
No,
Steel
I'm listening
City?
to the show. No.
Could you introduce
I'm
yourself to
listening.
us, please?
It's me, Bermuda Boss, yeah?
Big up yourself, Bermuda boss.
Yeah, I'm a selector here in the UK,
Cool, no, man.
but officially from Bermuda.
Okay.
But like you guys are saying, I'm enjoying the show tonight, but how you guys are explaining it, you see Andrew Fresh and them, I feel those guys are the gatekeepers, basically.
Why you say that?
Because if you don't call the name, you don't get no blind here in the UK, and they don't promote anybody else. You can promote the dance as hard as you can, and they still won't acknowledge it.
Yeah, but he's not responsible for making your party happening. You can't blame Andrew Fresh for that. That's not Andrew's responsibility.
What I'm saying is, if you even push those guys' party on social media or whatever, if they don't know you, you don't get no respect from those guys.
So some boss. So you can get respect from somebody if they don't know you, because you have to know somebody to show them respect, right?
Not generally, not necessarily.
I know
Because
about
somebody's pushing your dance, because somebody's pushing your event, you can't even say, "Oh, bless up," or "Do you want a free ticket?" You know, they don't acknowledge none of that.
But my boss, we have to put things in perspective, right? Remember, put yourself in his shoes. If you have hundreds of DM or hundreds of message, right, coming to your phone, you cannot reply to everybody. If you say bless up to everybody, you have to give and take, because do remember, say people have them life and people have other things that they're doing. Some of the time, them respond to who them can respond to. I'm not saying me I pick up your Andrew Fresh or nothing,
Right.
but even me myself, like me can't message everybody back.
But then and
I just
then
saw it go.
again, you have to understand as well. If you
Hold on. Let me give you an example. These guys could be up 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah, promoting the dance, and you're up same time. So as they're pushing the event, you're saying, "All right, let me push it right behind them." You get me?
Yeah.
They won't even like, comment, nothing.
So
You know that they're looking at it right after they're pushing the event.
So let me ask you something. Did you direct message him? Did you send him a DM, or did you
No,
repost
I'm
his
not.
party or something?
What?
I'm just asking.
Why should I? No, why should I even contact him and his pushing his dance 2-3 minutes before? You get me?
My boss, because some of the time it's common courtesy, like, to say, yo, blah, 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 respect me like what I do, So acquaintance, so you break the ice of people being acquainted,
Yeah.
So them familiar with you. So next time them see a thing, them say, oh, that youth are where they forward and say, healing's rare.
I have a question.
My boss.
as well as
No,
go
I've
ahead.
been in the UK. I've been in the UK 15 years. Yeah, I'm seeing how the dancehall scene operates. I used to play at Cross Keys and that. Yeah,
Okay.
just through the animosity with the selectors here, I stopped playing music.
Okay.
You get me? So I see how the dancehall scene operates here.
Right.
It's gatekeepers.
Okay, but I mean,
That's how.
I just want to give a response in regards to the statement that you made, that people are up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and you're seeing their posting and you sent a message, or somebody might send a message and they don't respond. We have to understand that everybody different, right? One, I mean, you're not acquainted with the individual. You're not friends with the individual. People might not want to respond to people during certain hours if it's not business hours. You have to think about that perspective as well. It's not that he might be shunning or disregarding your comment or your post or what have you. So you have to think about other people's perspective and how people might work. We're gonna call it work because it's a DJ. I work in my work, right? Yeah. But thank you for sharing your opinion with us. We do appreciate you calling in and sharing your opinion. We're gonna take another call. But continue to join the live and drop your comments in the comment section.
Respect for calling, yeah?
Oh, respect,
Yes.
yes.
Steel City, you can go ahead and give us a call now. Ladies and gentlemen,
You have to be.
You have to take
have to
that
give
into
and take.
consideration.
You have
and
to
give and take.
Yeah.
Because right now, as much as me can't be a pussy on this, because at any idea, you have to give and take in certain things. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't come like say, yo, me go message Valley and say, boy, I rate Valley, no, me stop playing song cause nah, deal me good like me like behind picture them man. The man not even message me back or them with it.
You know.
At the end of the day, he don't owe me nothing.
Exactly.
Hold the line for us, caller.
I have a question.
We have, and we're going to include some of the comments as well. Facts official stated, just do your work and don't worry about what anybody else has to say. No one owes you anything at all. Yeah? Steel City, is that you?
Yeah, they're inside there, Steel City there.
Greetings, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Cool, man. So you made a statement that Andrew is third within the UK dancehall scene, right?
1 and 2.
So we want to know who has the first position, the first
Dragon must know that.
and the second. So talk us through your comment, please.
Firstly, obviously, kind of like football or movies, it's all subjective. Everybody's got their own opinion and own taste. And ultimately, also, it's what you're looking for. For somebody that plays music myself, I'm looking at all-round ability as an MC, all-round ability as a DJ, and a variety of selection. And for the person, for me, who ticks all those boxes, who leads, is Hurricane Jermaine. I think he's in front of everybody else. Don't get me wrong, and that's no disrespect to Andrew Fresh. I think Andrew Fresh is tough.
Yeah.
He's been doing it for years, and rightly so. He's come from an era where a lot of DJs from his era have dropped off, and just the fact that he's still
Current.
doing what he's doing.
But that
in
should
the
warrant him
conversation.
over Hurricane Jermaine, because Hurricane Jermaine is not as potent as Andrew Fresh now. So
Or
that
we
kills-
haven't seen
Alright,
him
then,
in the
so-
London scene.
Yeah, so and again, this is from my perspective.
Right.
And obviously, me being in Sheffield and Steel City, I don't get to see all the London selectors and stuff.
Right.
But from what I have seen in terms of ability in juggling, Dio is up there in terms of crowd interaction, DJing ability, and MC talking and just managing the crowd. Dio's up there. Dio's tough.
So
and
so
Andrew
there's
Fresh,
two. So just do it by order if you can.
No.
Can you say
No, no.
there's
My-
Andrew Fresh is about third?
My first, second, and third. My personal opinion. Jermaine I come first. Killer Filler will be second, and I give Andrew third.
You put Steel City. You
my
put
podium.
Killer Filler in front of Andrew.
All right. Can I speak now?
Yeah. Anyway,
hold on,
Yeah.
Brez. Hold on, because the caller is on the line.
Yeah.
So and can we just clarify that this is within, and this is, you said this is your opinion. You
That's
said
true,
it's
yeah.
not.
Yeah,
It's not a.
yeah,
It's not
you know,
a geographical based response. This is just your
No.
opinion based on
In
DJs
terms
that
of,
you know.
in terms of all-round ability, Jermaine's one. All-round ability, Andrew Fresh would definitely be second. But what I think Killer Filler has over any other MC that I've seen, maybe Lizard's in the conversation as well.
Okay.
Is in terms of his tracing as an MC is there's arguably second to none.
But
all-round
Steel City, may I have one thing to shut down your argument. May I, Fred, big of yourself.
Go on, enough.
Have you
Go
ever
on,
seen Killer Filler play by himself?
Say again?
Have you
Play
ever seen?
music.
Have you ever played
Killer Filler.
watch Killer Filler play by himself?
No, I understand exactly what you're going to say. In terms of dribbling ability and mixing, is well loaded at the bottom of the pile. But
So how
the
you
same
how you gonna
argument
compare him?
wait, let me finish. The same way enough DJs ball and complain about DJs are cheating when they're using sync and this, that, and the other, and rate. The majority of the crowd
Don't care about
don't
it, yeah.
care.
Exactly.
They're just on about being entertained. And from an entertainment perspective, Killer Filler is up there. From a juggling perspective, there's probably 200 DJs, including myself, that are in front of him in terms of mixing and blending and etc. But in terms of crowd management, crowd control, Killer Filler is up there.
Would I even say Gangsta Kid in front of Killer Filler?
Gangster Kid. I mean, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, gangster stuff like
Is
that.
it Gangster Kid you're referring to Steel City?
Steel City. Yeah, trouble, you know.
Yes, that's why I shoot off your head so much. You know.
We want to make sure that we're getting the correct information. Brent has a point. Stay on the line with us,
This
Steel
is why.
City.
This is why I never want to say nothing.
Yeah.
And talk up in
Is
the
it
fire phone so the
because
people in the live can hear you. please.
Dragon, Rick, and
Yeah.
Ross say Andrew are the best, right?
I never said anything.
All right,
Don't
Dragon and
mix
Rick.
me.
Yeah,
say-
so far in the land. So
and
far in
Let me
England.
finish now, bro. Him are the best, yeah? Somebody forward and give them for them top three, say him a third, yeah? What we should not do is trying to impose what we're saying onto the person because true not say what we are say. Well, Una say is like say him wrong in our
No,
sense.
we
No,
wanna
no,
say-
no,
Let me
no,
finish,
no,
let me
Brent.
finish,
Nobody
let me
was
finish.
doing that.
Let me
Nobody was
finish,
doing
let
that
me
though.
finish. Some people that's watching it will come across like that's arrogance.
Okay.
But nobody did that.
Nope.
Finish what you're saying, there, brother. You're
If
coming to look
if
spoiled.
somebody
Whitney.
watch back the situation, yeah,
Yeah.
they might say, yo, it's like, yeah, like, man, PA, yo, for promote. I'm not saying that happening, but what I'm saying,
Cap.
we if we try to be as up there. Bro, I just said
Yes,
bro,
but
it's
even
not a joke, fam.
even if you're trying to be as neutral as possible,
Thank you,
you're
Josh Chen. Thank you, sis.
you're entitled to an opinion.
me personally think, yeah,
Exactly. This
me
is your
personally
opinion, now,
think,
right?
yeah, actually, it's more
No-
factual based, yeah. Mr. Andrew playing a different type of event, because as what Dragon said, me not gonna know, but he don't know me. I got enough type of different event. English event, Andrew book pan, I think say I go from forward and play the same top 10. See him to sing along, see him play and juggling one time, mixed master event where most English crowd. Then I see him play one next English event over there, and then I play the same juggling but the same vibes.
Yeah.
Andrew lasts long because he adapt to the situation I'm in.
Exactly.
If you pick champion from England for represent England, he must be the captain. And based off what I am, what I know, when I see him, I see all of them DJ not talk player already. And most of them have the same formula.
Right.
Just different voice that come out of the microphone.
And at the end of the day, that's your opinion, and everybody is entitled to
It's
their
even
own
my opinion, people. This is the next thing as well.
It's everybody's
I
opinion.
an idea.
It's
Well,
not-
I know, well, I know,
Steel
well, I
City still
know.
is here?
Well, I know.
Steel still on the line,
Well,
yeah?
I know.
He's still
What
there.
me hate is this, yeah. Why certain DJ get over them at the right now and people praise them. Because you see the people when I complain, they don't complain to them. They complain to we. You see, if we try to pull them aside and say what we say, I say it on the medium as a objective criticism, them so bad mind. So I stop that.
No, but you see, for this area, I tell us, you see, when you see me fall back
Hey,
a
me can't
radio,
hold me that year,
I don't care who I'm vexing me talking.
No, me-
You
Hold
see in
on,
the
Brett,
street,
Rick
and we have a conversation, and if I did that, we are media people, we are doing media work. So if me say something you're offended by, you call me and we have a
Don't need to
conversation.
call you, bro.
No, listen, you know my number up on my Facebook or my Instagram.
Can
so
I,
if you
can
feel,
I call BBC?
yeah, no, but I'm
Yes,
saying for
email.
me and for my personal self, if you
Right.
say something and you don't feel offended, call me, have a talk about you. We're not badness we are doing.
And Worldstar
We're doing-
underscore entertainment underscore one is proving my point.
Yeah.
You're saying wrong again. My top three. It's that's your opinion. Nobody's gonna say, "Oh, you're wrong." Hold on. I'm just
I ain't gonna say
responding.
nothing.
I was just responding to this. Like you're giving us your opinion. We're not saying that you're wrong. We're just saying this is what you think. This
Yeah.
is what somebody else thinks. Yeah.
All right, me can say facts. This is facts, and me can put my money towards it and prove it. If you put Andrew in any event, well, that's a majority of black people, because them see him playing a different
Yeah.
genre or whatever, he will forward out the victor. Me in a sense of him forward,
You can adapt easy.
and when
to
me see him do, when them got them event here, if him reach 10 minutes earlier, him reach way earlier and watch the crowd.
Yes, that's
Like,
what a DJ
what-
should
what-
do.
what-
Let's deal with Steel City. We
And
have
then
him on the line still
Yeah.
waiting there.
And then him forward.
Brent, after you finish, we're gonna
and
go
him
back to
forward
Steel
and
City.
play with the play. I must say mixed master, me see him do it, film him do it.
Yeah.
It's not our dancehall hardcore dice.
Right.
You can't just-
Some man forward with a set, and if
Anything changing
him
can't.
not, him
bow
not, and I
you.
can't, him not change. Cause
Yeah,
him know
yeah,
say
yeah.
yo, that's all I'm gonna play, and him repeat over and over. I never see him really repeat like that. But when it
Right,
comes to
that's
our dancehall event, yeah, it doesn't matter what the fuck he play. People don't give a fuck. Our crowd don't care about it. Cause first they reach a part when it's soon done.
Yeah.
So they even care where you play afterwards.
Let's
Steel
check.
City, you still with us?
There.
Cool, no, man.
There.
I know you've been waiting for a while, so just tell the people what's your next event that's forwarding up now, please.
The next event will be probably my birthday bash, Fully Loaded Boxing Day, which will be Dancehall episode meets Fully Loaded
Cool, no, man.
in Steel City. Master J Ninja and the rest of the family are there. So we're just still deciding on who the supporting acts are going to be. So that'll be Boxing Day in Sheffield. in Steel City. So
And with-
respect for letting me plug that.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
so look,
Man.
look at me for that Sheffield
Big.
boxing day. Where I say?
Want a
As
table,
well-
you
as
know,
well-
you know, and,
Yeah,
as-
and you got promoter want some ticket and some acknowledgement and then
What the
come
boy,
there,
where you
isn't
say?
it?
We can just load up one car and get some Sheffield and just call it a
Where
day.
it's a
you know.
motorway. And on Sundays, you're live, your Sunday lives. What's it called again?
Steel City Dance Hall. Follow the Instagram page. We basically review the events from the weekend.
Cool.
We have it 8 o'clock, and we usually kick it off around about 8 o'clock and finish at 10.
Cool,
Every
man.
Sunday I watch, you not even know so much every Sunday.
Remember, you know, we can go over in for in, over the big hotel up there, go stay.
Yeah.
Over in for in, yeah.
Yeah.
We can go up there, go. If we just drive it, we are right. We can go drink as much as we want.
You
and just
sort out and
rest
sleep.
Once
we
you
could
reach,
till a
you're
day.
good.
Cool,
Once you
no
reach, we're
man.
good.
Thank you
And-
for calling in. Big up yourself. Take
We have,
care.
you know, say,
No problem. Bless.
Let's
Bless.
up Steel City. You know, we have one problem with food dancehall, and me feel like why the music there's not much creativity over here. In a UK,
Yeah.
it's not about the DJs or the DJs how we can actually play music or entertain. It's more about personality, because people book DJs not according to how they can play or how they can entertain. Because
Yeah.
back in the days, maybe say 10 years ago, enough good DJ there in England right now. When I really get no bookings and now working on some of the better DJs them right now we can actually play and read the party. They're not being booked.
Why is that? Why aren't they being
Are they
You
entertaining
can't
the
tell.
crowd?
No.
Eh?
We can't
Are
tell
they
you why.
entertaining the crowd?
But
Because like me
that
know,
is- yeah.
me know, yeah, because you're looking at the art of DJing, right?
Yeah.
But you have to understand, say the goalposts move now.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
move from like
It's
from the
social
art
media
of
cause
D-
that.
No, from the art of DJing to entertaining.
Because of social
Now for
media.
the time we got a party, I remember, you know,
Mm,
if you never hear the song regular, you'd have think I saw you sing. 'Cause
exactly.
I remember some song up play like Blood
Like
Clot Flash
Sheep.
Garden, you know. You see me?
Yeah, struck.
And I saw we used it to dance, and they come like say when you go in a dance, even like the good select, if you not play it that way, they come like in the sun, right? And they
But-
come like the people them not get the vibe there.
But me
And
feel-
in idea, you have to do certain thing. If you say yo, entertainment, and me say this, for say that, we see movie star Johnny recently at Europe, so Marina.
Yeah.
What's on the thoughts on that?
No, but I think it's brilliant.
All right, before that, yeah, let me tell you why some of the good DJ them were really probably better than the man them where we call 1, 2, 3, 5 million years. Eh? Bro, you're not applying yourself. It's the point that if you know so you're good and bad again and look in, sometimes you have to just instill yourself in a situation for them see you. If you know so you go up on live and the bad not see you, bro, you just message the man and say, yo dog, my DJ want to run, give me a slot. And if you get an early start, you just go there, because when you go there, the network, do it if you do. Start, all if you're better than...
No, but that the world is starting to work again.
No. It's not always work. There's different ways. Everything is the same formula, different approach.
Fully understand, Brez. Let's move back to the
You see
movie
me?
star Johnny. You know,
That's all it is,
start
bro.
Movie star Johnny.
movie star Johnny
That's his name.
start do the ripping off the Marina.
And
you
then
know,
on the floor.
the performance now.
Cool.
Him left from behind from the traditional place where DJ normally are MC
Yeah.
and start with center stage. You know, and go on with the little entertainment.
But-
What your guys thought on that?
All right. You see, first time I see it,
Yeah,
it happened organically and naturally.
yeah.
Because in just in our vibes and in just do it. And I feel like say enough time DJ over here now have no creativity. And you see when him do that now, it becomes a conversation because we there start talk about it now. And he will probably get booked because of that. Because him known as the man that got tear off him shirt and go on. And it makes sense.
Sky Juice might sue him. But
Sky Juice are Marvin.
No, but it
Sky
makes
Juice,
sense.
Sky
Sky
Juice.
Juice used to do it.
Sky Juice from like the 80s,
that's
90s,
that's
bro.
where I
Me
saw
know
it.
Sky Juice take off him shirt, but never see him use the tear up the Marina.
It doesn't really matter. It's the same procedure.
But as-
At the DJ life.
Like you are talking about a different thing. I'm talking about the whole performance where him rip off the Marina and go on with himself because the Mad Out song. You know him have that little thing there. And then after that I see on stage because I wasn't at the show people. So I'm talking about what me see. Me see some drop and roll and you know.
Up on the floor, I go,
What wanna think about that?
well,
Entertainment.
Was it entertaining? Give me on feedback on the views, everything. What you guys think?
I'm going to pass now because can't bother with it.
I think it was
I can't
entertaining.
bother with
My
it.
headphone I give me problem. I can't hear conversation.
Me
Is it
think
the-
me
Wanna
think it
fight it.
entertaining and big man
Guys,
thing.
Can you help please?
Big man thing.
Me
Me
walk
think,
with me.
me think that needed in a dance all over here because like not for the time. The DJ them too static.
I say.
I want to say static, not even static, stationary.
Stationary, yeah.
Like when me said that, them just you see them whole thing, you know, go. The people that want some fuckery, cause remember you know fuckery sell right through, you know.
All right, you see.
They want some fuckery.
Jagan.
No, I true.
Jagan.
But this call find a dancer.
Jagan,
When last you see one MC go on with
No,
them.
because the type of events
The people
that
them need
are,
it.
You're not Jagan. So we're not going to hear fuckery.
Oh me? Me don't know when no mad when no mad up, you never know.
That is the point, and
Yeah.
everybody
Can't
suit,
listen.
bro.
No, I'm a good minister.
So what you try say, you know, so Johnny?
And about suit, couple years too late.
So what you say, Johnny to hold?
Where's the Johnny too old for
It's
that?
been in the game for a minute.
But
man.
what?
Yeah.
But it's entertainment at the
It's
end of the day.
entertainment.
Yes,
Entertainment
but
doesn't stop at
with
that
that,
age.
yeah,
But what?
him only can do that a few times and then for change up
Well,
again.
fine.
Yeah, but
that-
he do some- but at least he might do
he's
something.
doing
Him do it.
something.
And here one now, anybody
Alright,
else
do you
do
know
it
certain-
after,
Hold on,
him
hold on.
pioneer it.
Well,
Over here,
Over here.
What is this?
who else do it?
Who are Inga known for do anything at
And
all?
that-
All right,
and that
if
is-
in my Raga Ruggy in the same age group, and if Raga Ruggy do it, would you say Raga Ruggy is too old for it?
Ragga been doing it from time.
Me just ask, I'm just asking.
That's Ragga the DNA from day
So
one.
is the
Ragga
issue-
bring dog in a suitcase pants at 14,
So
bro.
bad man,
So
he,
is
is either other par die, and he's one
Yes,
of them one
yes,
man them
yes,
when
but I-
decides him to do something new.
But I don't think, yeah.
Eh.
And again,
Especially-
this is
especially-
your opinion.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Emphasize and I don't think.
Yeah.
Capital
Yeah.
letter. I don't think DJs over here need to go that extreme with that. You know why? Kind of idea, it's more of a viral moment than anything else.
So I go, you see, one thing realize it over here.
I don't think that's a problem.
Uno don't like trying nothing new or venture
It's
nothing
not
new.
nothing about
no,
trying
no, no,
nothing new, bro.
No,
Hold on,
the
Brent.
people them over here don't like trying nothing new. Even some of the DJ them,
So
them
I mean,
afraid
all
to
that.
explore some different like a song in a dance hall and try after something. Remember, you know, and every day you win. So my time as a DJ, me try all one little mix and me know it's risky, you know.
Yeah.
And me say, yo, me try it, you know, cause you see if it work.
It work. You know,
If it work, you bust it dance and people say, bum buckle, but if you miss it, you know you look
You know,
bad.
if
It's so-
Steel
what's the
City
risk?
said
No risk, no
earlier,
reward.
Steel City said earlier, big up the DJ them who take risk. So if you don't take risk, big up on yourself.
I know
It's
I might
so-
think man
hold
a
on,
risky
it's so
game every
funny,
day.
yeah.
Risk
It's
it,
so
baby,
funny,
risk
yeah.
it.
This week, yeah, the role reverse of defending. Cause normally, what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
I would have said.
Well, I mean,
No,
again,
I'm
it's
saying
opinions.
It's
at the end of
opinion,
the day.
but right as a right now,
Yeah.
in anything you do, reach a certain point, you just, but you just pass on the message to somebody else because we want to take energy and yeah. But the point I make is yeah.
I feel like Bread's not talking whole truth. Like yeah,
I like him at all
like
back.
you're, like you're afraid of somebody.
No, 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 no,
What
no,
is
no.
the problem tonight?
Bruv, this
I'm
is the
being-
Upper Life show.
No, no,
this
Jagan,
is a safe
Jagan, no, no, no.
space. You can talk. Remember,
Jagan,
we have
yeah.
security
Jagan,
outside.
Jagan.
It's a safe
All right,
space.
Yeah,
When do
no.
you? No, I even message him. He may reply to me, say, I follow the umbre with Carlin. I'm going to block him.
Yeah.
So basically, I message him and say, you're mad. It was actually funny and different, yes. But more than why I'm just, me personally, feel Brandon who he is and where he's farting from.
Yeah.
That's so call feet. Cool.
Yeah.
Him read the crowd, as I say, reading the crowd and
Yeah.
know them one.
Using wisdom.
But I don't think you should keep on it every time. If you can do it at a time where you know say it makes sense. Not just show
Yeah.
people want to come sit and miss it and then miss it. If you keep on doing that, when Ragga first do what him do, him drop on the stage and go to the Go Club and then realize that the crowd reacted and then keep on do it and then
And get used
it
to
become a pattern. But you don't dash your flour, rice and everything and a pattern, you know, where am I going to show?
Yeah.
Where am I going to climb? That is his natural, him.
Yeah.
When him try to orchestrate a move, it's like, we saw that already.
Yeah,
Right.
we're,
all it
we're,
is.
we're going to wrap up this topic and move on to some other
yeah,
stuff
we'll
quickly.
make wrap up quickly. But before we go, remember, we are seeing the same thing over and over in a dance hall. The man them will come and dance, well-known selected them attack the same thing
Forward
over and
down.
over.
Why?
Big up a girl, but know so we always look good at them, you know, them tell like a story and that. We
But
tell
yeah.
that.
But
'cause
that's-
No, no, no,
there's
that's
so much,
no.
Well,
See,
Brez, let me-
this
let
is
me-
what I'm
Birds, allow him to
There's
finish.
so
Birds,
much
allow him
story
to
you
finish
can
his
tell.
point.
And if everybody's doing the same thing, it's good for somebody to create a next market or we can say performance. You know, a DJ we can come out and go on some fuckery and we say, yeah.
Yeah, but-
especially on a big stage because not for the time you see show like them there.
But we, the dancer, don't get the big
You
stage.
need a performance.
Yeah, like
You know,
this-
massacre show them on there.
No,
No,
no.
on a
Alright,
regular
like,
basis.
Like for instance, what me I say is just two different dancers. I not talk the main street dancer where Corey them play and Master J them play. Because I say Master J, I see up on the live.
Right.
Me I talk about the street dancer where Andrew them play, Lizard them play a week time. Lizard have been a good thing when go on with him preach more time.
The rough
That-
cut.
You see that street dancer there?
Yeah.
He now get the good stage show, the good sound system in a good club and rare. Every now and then you might get one looking for one party, and then 6 months again, I just wear us a beat for the rest of the 6 months. until 1-1 something come up again. You see what I'm talking about? So forget that performance week in, week out. It's not there, fam.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna happen on the mainstream
And Rick,
side.
You know why? Because at the end of the day, remember when you're on a big stage and a main stage, remember you're gonna have a mixture of crowd, and it's not everybody gonna understand the raw cut patois.
Yeah, but they will appreciate
so,
it.
No.
Yeah,
Rick,
come on.
Rick,
a dancer event, everybody not gonna understand.
Let me say what I say.
Right.
You see, in terms of when you speak the raw cut patois, if you talk a story and talk a bag of things, you see, if you're not Jamaican and you don't understand patois, you miss the important part of the story. But you see, English language or most language, remember most of it talking body language. So when a man go up on stage and perform and do certain thing, you can be black, Indian, Chinese, you don't have to talk no English. You will understand what go on. So you see these performance on a big stage is necessary, and I think more DJ if you start adapt some of them things and them set.
Well, I have something to say before you go on. The only DJ that does this for it's a natural occurrence theme. You would never tell me which DJ that.
Me know have one person where
over here?
Yes, it's one DJ been performing, entertaining while big stage, small stage, any stage.
Dio.
Me like a bet you know what? Me lose my money.
No,
Dio.
My colleague.
No. Dio.
My bro.
Listen, Dio overall is been an entertainer. Dio have
all rounder.
They have the complete DJ performance. You can't say that. DJ performance, You see, if you
as an artist, bro.
And no, you say package, you go do that. Dio, as a cross the board person, he might just that age, can't call about the age. But 10 more year time, this is him. He's basically the leader of every young DJ right now. From him younger.
But there's one person can prove that it will work into the big stage and the main stage.
Who is that?
Because if you look at Noah Power is a street DJ.
England.
No. I'm giving you. I'm showing you. It's the same. It's the same main first world country I talk about. UK and US are pretty much the same understanding of dancehall music. We have some part of strong predominant dancehall, and we have next part where no what go on. Exactly. Noah Power is from the streets of Jamaica, and Noah Power does play on these big stages and main stage events that's equivalent to what you'll find like a UK Korea play upon or a Master J play upon over there. And when Noah is performing on his set, he doesn't break down anything where I say. And him talk it exactly, because when you come to my house, you have to adjust to my language and understand. If you don't understand, ask a friend beside you until they catch on.
Type on Google.
Exactly. So when you come over there and come on my dancehall street party on the clean stage, you're supposed to, understand them. I tell you, say, girl and a girl stink or what. Ask Maddie.
You see, Rick, where I have to disagree with you, because first thing, you use some wrong example, right?
What wrong with
you know why you say Mixmaster and Corey? Remember Mixmaster?
No, we're not. No, let's not go there.
Hold on.
Let's not go there.
Mixmaster can twang properly.
Mixmaster
can twang properly, and Corey is not an MC. So you use the wrong example.
No, that's not. All right. We're not talking about their speech.
Wait.
So in terms of on a big stage, remember, Corey predominantly known as a mixer.
You're missing the point.
Mixmaster,
you're missing the point.
As the DJ, Mixmaster can talk fluent British, you want to put it like that.
But can hold on, Hold on, Breds. Dragon, Ricky said that Dragon is misunderstanding your point. Can you repeat your point very shortly, so we can wrap up this topic?
All right, let me explain it.
Everybody can understand what you said.
We're talking about the first, the dancehall, street dancehall performance, the crazy, energetic, they being outspoken, or the flamboyant way of doing what we do on the street dancehall, taking it to the main stage of, like, say, what we say Corey play over here or Master J. You're saying that it cannot be done because you have to break down the language and how you talk to let it more palatable for people to understand.
Right.
And I'm saying that it doesn't have to be like that, because it's done in USA by Noah Power, who does the equivalent events that Master J does in England and Corey does in England. On the US side is the same equivalent. And when he's doing it, he does it under the Jamaican Raba and Patois.
No.
Opinions at the end of the day.
If you pass the ball, take the ball from me. Bro,
Last 30
When
seconds.
you go
Fraser.
to a Spanish event, I watch a Spanish movie, I say that Spanish, you watch at the end. You subscribe to what you're going to say a recaption dog. When you go to a dancehall event, if you're a Jamaican, you go for the authenticness of what it is. You don't want to hear no watered down version.
Right.
So Dragon, but that's what you want to talk and say what you want to say. If somebody's a Dragon, want a dancehall artist or dancehall DJ and then book Black Night Sound, them know why you come speak English because them have 1 million English DJ. They want you to speak the raw, authentic dancehall because them know people my ball flat. If they don't understand, them watch it back or them learn it, bro. That's the whole point of listening to other genre music. So when you try to say you have to twang, no, you don't have to because the whole point of you getting booked is for your authenticness of what your culture is, bro.
Okay, speaking about that, authenticness and arts and everything, we have to change this subject for now. We want to talk about this subject right now. In terms of dancehall, I want everybody to have a deep thought about this. Byron Messiah recently forward out and say his song Taliban is the biggest dancehall song from
From
2005
2005 to now.
until now. Do you agree with that statement,
How old is he?
or
first of all?
do you disagree?
Young.
Let's try and make
How
everybody think about it for a bit.
How old was he in 2005?
You probably not ban it.
Yeah, probably a kid. So that's
I'm
that's
Googling
why
age,
I'm saying
actually.
he say his song is the
It could have
biggest song.
been
Which
a
song?
typo.
Which song is-
Taliban.
Taliban. Him have one big
No,
song.
Say about
yeah.
other.
which part?
Him say it's the biggest
Yeah.
song in dancehall.
It's the biggest song now.
No,
No,
from
2005
2005. That was
until-
the post.
So what song was he referencing to?
Because not everything in dancehall. He said it's the biggest song in dancehall from that time until now. No song is not bigger
It
than that
must have
song.
been-
What,
a typo.
no, but what did he use to measure that?
It must have been a typo.
Me don't know you have to call him and ask
Alright,
him. Me no call him.
alright.
It's
Alright.
Everybody have a
error.
number? Call him.
Alright.
More everybody else think.
Alright.
877
Because-
catch
Think about that.
Because time I fast forward, but me just fast
Let's
forward.
find the songs.
No, let me fast forward it. Boom. He said in the morning, I know that Jamaica beat him bad dog.
Yeah.
He check him statement. And he said,
What did he say?
he meant to say in the UK chart.
But how old is this? How old is Byron?
Age don't matter.
Yeah,
It
but
matters because at 2005 you would have been a child.
Age don't matter because at the end of the day, even if you're a child, the data and the facts is out there. You can do your
No,
research.
no,
Was
and
the
get
song
facts.
there from 2005? That's
He
No,
said
no, no,
he's
he's
the
saying-
biggest
no, no, he's
because
saying-
the
he's saying-
selling and the streaming and all that you could say are the biggest song. So,
if that's, well, is have a
Data
point
is there,
then.
so-
No, bro. The man retract him statement, brother. The man released the next statement. Say,
No.
listen.
No, I'm
because
not,
like
I said it to you, I said it
in terms of like selling and that,
yeah,
would have to compare because remember back in 2005,
there was
artists
much.
was talking about album sale.
Yeah.
We wasn't talking about
Project.
streaming.
Streaming,
See?
yeah.
So
yeah.
now the goalpost has moved. But
Yeah.
in terms of big song, what we know, gonna be a staple of dancehall music. Let me rephrase this question. Do you see this song playing in dancehall
No,
3 years from now?
no.
It will play, but it not gonna be no. It not
Impact.
gonna have no
Forward
point.
with
It not
again,
gonna
no.
Play 3 years from now, you Toast play again?
Mm.
When Toast, so when they say a biggest thing from Bob Marley,
It's,
But tours go longer than this, though. Tours
that's
go
what
about-
that's what I'm saying.
Tours go about 3 to 4
That's
years,
what I'm
though.
saying. Like
This now pass next year.
when you make some big statement,
I
that's
hope it
why
does still,
you see humbleness.
yes, no, him shouldn't say that because he just mash up
He
himself.
basically, first thing him do wrong. When him thief my boy style and then him say Jamaican influence him. Remember the first thing they make?
whose style was he stealing? Let's
Something
be specific.
Buffalo. Well, man, the umbrella TJ, when him say TJ thief him drift with him, or the flow of the
The-
Ma-
Yeah, I thought,
DJ?
no,
DJ
man.
Mac, DJ
No,
Mac.
man.
no,
It's
the
DJ.
artist, the Buffalo where man him, yeah?
I don't know him.
Yeah, attack. Spain Tony attack. I do it
Yeah.
next to him.
Something about anyway, make it fine. But the point is, you make a statement first, then you retract it and say, yo, you never mean it like that. No, you make a bold statement saying since 2005, him have the biggest song ever. Then when the Instagram start beating bad, like proper beat him, because Bali say, currently if you say that, yeah, no, we give it that. Because original song, do it numbers, yes, we're not complaining about that. But when you say that now, yeah, and then you make a post, yeah, you have no number 180, your debut number 12 in a UK chart, and some other numbers will below the top 10, yeah? Apart from me send the graph there in post, yeah? Then him say he meant to say in the UK. If you just say, yo, in the UK, the biggest song to dance all day, nobody not fight you. No one is going to fucking fight you, bro. Because UK, really and truly, it is what it is.
He posted. I'm currently on his story. He posted a thing from UK Rap Daily that says,
Thank you, Jay.
Byron Messiah and Burna Boy's Taliban's could be the first dancehall record to reach the top 10 in the UK since Sean Paul's We Be Burning.
I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know if that is what he was referring to.
That's why, but he's in careless type.
No. Why is he lying there? I think he's lying. He's capping.
Yes. When you talk fucker, you can't say slip out.
Yeah.
Remember why you type here?
Why, dog? Why?
What? I go in sir.
When you talk fucker,
why, my G?
no.
No.
Watermelon. Go one side.
You go
An
on.
idea.
Rick statement say Rick.
When you talk fuckery, it can be a mistake.
Yeah.
But when you type
Type
fuckery,
fuckery and
You
a
must
mistake.
have to
I just want them
because
moment they were in
idea.
there on the toilet, man, and nothing for the man.
Bro, there's 6
That
syllables.
man.
The man said.
You know when they put that and look at your phone and I say, let me just type and put the phone. And that go on, man.
Even a WhatsApp group and say, yo, dog, I Burna Boy and Chris Brown and
Him
Sean
get
Kingston,
boots,
you know,
yeah.
what you do?
You get look us up.
With
Big
that
and
thing,
all of them one day, you
with that Tivoli garden, you know what? Boom.
But really and truly.
Da-da. This
You know-
how it
No,
goes.
you see, we don't really want, you see, we not too like for batch them neither, because
I know, Bash, he chat
Big
shit.
up.
him charge foolishness.
Bag of fuck.
Yeah, but this is why the artists them need guidance around them, and some they're not really a talk. They need people around them to kind of give them certain kind of insight and try to show them, say, yo, certain things they do are management. What me say?
No, natural mistake made that statement.
I'm not sure mistakes.
Natural mistake.
Talk about the fucker.
Natural Mystic said, Dragon said Lady Gaga is the biggest artist in the UK. Everybody makes ridiculous statements.
Talk about the fucker.
No, but
No,
at the time, she had the one song
No.
where I fuck up the place.
Hold on.
So you could have said that.
Yeah, one bad one now, yo.
Hold on.
But nah, line up. That's like 4 years ago, no mistake.
Who is more current right now? Right?
In what aspect?
Remember, I say otherwise from Stylo G. Me always say that otherwise from Stylo
She
G.
rate the Warriors.
Who is bigger than gangster in a UK dancehall over here?
Come on, there's no
What?
one.
In
No,
what
no,
aspect?
No, it's facts. Without one,
fuck me, I
she
talk
had
to
one
mistake.
song, yeah? And the song transcend across UK, Caribbean, and America.
I know really that, you know.
I'm just showing the
People
the
subscribe to fucker, you know. You come like a Netflix
Yes,
subscription
but
to
Jagan,
check out.
but Jagan, if you have a song I play America, and a song I play Jamaica, and I
Yeah.
play in your home style, religiously without even being at a dance or a bigger promoter, come on, you do better than the man over here.
And
Come
today
on, man.
episode in Queen and Dewey.
And
We're
that,
not
Hey,
even-
this is a
subscribe,
real.
subscribe.
You know what? They could make money off it, though.
So
Could
that
be
me I
a
tell you.
Netflix series, bear.
Netflix.
How are they there, though? Why latest? Talk to me.
One day
cause-
Canada,
It's
one
too
day
much
Canada,
to
one day
talk about
Canada,
up here.
one day Canada,
Right
and
now,
one day in Jamaica.
the latest much funny, she say,
Jamaica
some
song.
side our face feel different, kind of stiff.
Oh no, the latest is between
No,
the
you
latest
missed that, bro.
information. No, that's
That's
past.
gone.
Oh,
This
right.
is no Obi and baby mother. It's
A few seasons
guys.
behind.
And before Obi, yeah, she sing a song in the studio, say, every man should do it. Pineapple settings.
Anyways, we're
But
gonna
anyway,
we're
we don't
gonna
wanna drop
move
off
right
topic.
along. We're not
Leave that,
gonna.
left that
Yeah.
alone.
So we're on the topic of controversy.
Yeah.
Can we continue with that topic?
Go on then.
Because over the weekend we saw that the PNP, People's National Party, which is a political party within Jamaica.
Oh, yeah, as a comrade breads. Power.
Power!
What dirty labor right, Rick?
JPS dead!
They had their rally on the weekend on Sunday.
Stadium
and,
literally
Yeah.
full.
and surprisingly, there was a special guest that appeared. Uncle Ivan.
Me not surprised, you know.
I'm very.
LA Lucy
hold on,
there?
hold on. No, man. The thing now work. Uncle Ivan.
Why?
Me not surprised. Because me lose everything,
Yo,
every respect
Yo, one hombre
for
say,
this
yo.
person.
Hombre say, yo, when JLP win last time, well, like, PNP go out there, you know.
Alright, we're gonna play the video now. Uncle Ivan, are you ready? Cool.
We're gonna play the video. We're gonna play the video.
Yeah,
Play the video. Then me tell you what me
People
have to
remember
about
topic
it.
right now, school.
Until him can't play.
Who there? $10,000. You ever see the post? Yeah, man, $10,000 for your appearance, man.
Yeah, it.
Be-
Me have hold on my chest so I want to get off of this.
What?
Wait, before we start. So a lot of
Like, how much
people.
wire
So
go
so
on?
for people who are on the live, if you didn't realize who that was, That is the Gargamel, the one and only Buju Banton. He appeared at the PNP's rally on Sunday. And it has shocked and made a lot of people question, like,
No,
them start
it's a
questioning.
labor right.
Pardon?
We start to labor right. Me know being
Me
a
no know.
PNP.
Nobody
No,
know,
no.
right?
So as you can see,
Cartel at PNP.
as you can see,
You look good for your party.
Cartel at PNP, though.
and look now, him in I'm green jacket.
You come
Nah,
here,
nah.
Bro.
Come on.
So
have
basically,
colours.
everybody can see that he was dressed in his orange
Sure,
shirt. He graced the stage and at the event very shortly, showing his support as the national elections draw near. Now, we know that the elections have been postponed for 3 times this year. It is now scheduled for February 2024, and Prime Minister Andrew Holness has stated
Me go
that
vote.
it will be going ahead in February 2024. There's no reason for the elections to be delayed again. There are a lot of there are mixed reactions to this because we know Buju Banton is a hombre with bono politics and bono politicians and has a lot to say in regards to the Jamaican government. Now, with seeing this, what are your opinions?
Can I go first?
You can go.
The man have enough. The man had enough. You see, for you say an artist, literally, physically, show you where him there, over the fence there. The man had enough. Bro, remember the man ran against this guy from him there at Jamaica, from him just land. When they go ban the man, the mass situation, everything in the dog. This guy had enough. Like, the man legitimately had enough of this dude, bro. And when they say Rasta not do enough, so the man make a stand. Say, you know what? PNP might be fuckery. But when PNP in power, issue show say, we don't do as much fuckery as GLP. And that is facts.
True.
So the man basically say, yo, Ray, that's like a umbre on the post, say, yo, if you see so much support. But it's facts though. Like, we do fuckery, you know. But for them fuckery is fuckery.
True, PNP thief your money too, you know. I
But
don't lie.
but
But we not thief so much.
But GLP thief, how we not there? Remember by now?
Bucklet, after we not say, all right, see there, road for fix. Say a 200,000 fix the road, I'm going to say,
I'm going to get 10 grand.
no, well, I know, 50 for breads, 50 for me, 10 for your side girl, 10 for your side girl, and the rest. We give to one man for deal with it.
And him cut for him
And
piece
then
of
man, they
fight.
cut in a two again.
But I think one of the major issues with this is, amongst the fact that him always about government, is that his daughter is a member of the opposing party.
For him, it doesn't.
I'm just saying.
You know, for him, it's come to a point. It's when somebody is against something, right? Like politics, yeah. Because every artist of Jamaica never ever, actually across the world, really,
Right.
never really indulge.
Affiliated themselves with a political
Even if
party.
them go vote,
Otherwise, from Kanye and, you know, I'm beating man.
yeah,
and, you
but,
know,
but
couple of
even
artists.
go vote, you never know them vote for.
Yeah.
Kind of might go to the neutral shirt,
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah, and
polling
just-
station or polling station. No,
Right.
you never know, yeah?
Yeah.
But for a man like Buju, of his status, like, but that thing be Buju or Buju, innit?
Right.
If you forward and literally show us, yo, me there and go, so. Even if my GLP, the man is a show us, yo, we had enough, bro. Bro God oppressed the country in enough different way in that.
So Mystic say Rasta Bono, PNP and JLP. Why would you give away your birth-given rights as a citizen of Jamaica to not vote and, you know, make your voice be heard? And then, if you're not voting, remember, you can't cause about nothing, you know, because your fault, you never vote.
Never written
You never
Mystic,
give
you
your
know.
opinion. At the end of the day, Mystic, you can't say because you're a Rasta, you know, do certain thing, you know, vote. Because, listen, are the people, remember some of the time, as a big man nowadays, you know, vote for you or things for fixing your life. You have vote for your kids, them future. Certain things you want to put in place for your kids, them future. Because remember, you know, some of the implementation where the politician them bring in, we might not live out to see it fruition
But watch it
or flourish, but our kids or reap them benefit. Them. So
Jagan.
we have to vote things for our kids. What
And
we
I-
say
and
that
I-
makes sense.
I guess on the point, because remember, Rastafarians normally remove themselves from the political
But hear
scene.
this
They're
now,
normally
no, but hear this
involved.
now, yeah? Mystic, when PNP in a power, do you ever think them cut the girl ear at school and just sweep on the carpet, so? No, if you want to be really, what do you PNP now? It's a get a story, them fix them because that's where the vote come from.
I'm not lie, birds. Before you go any further, big up Bro God, you know. Him do some good things,
The most bad,
but
but
him do some bad things. And you see, when
Real
look on
bad.
it, me say the bad outweigh
real bad.
the good. So you see, when you look on a politician and you say, yo, them do fuckery, but when time about outweigh the good,
Yeah,
you
fuckery.
have to go.
But
And bro God don't have no remorse. That's
But-
what I don't like. He
but
have no
it's
remorse in
okay.
the way him do.
You see people where do not vote, as they say, don't have a say.
Right.
Don't say nothing. When you vote and you lose that, no, literally, if you don't have an input, you don't have an outtake.
Exactly.
Simple. Mistake.
But-
Well, mistake. Under the rule of
He's no
PM
longer on the live. He's gone.
it doesn't even matter, you must see it
Yeah.
afterwards. PMP, yeah. Me live in an era where a lot of Rasta people are there. Not call him name, but enough little things did go on, and Mama P goes to father on, thing get started, you see me? When a girl or a boy get cut, girl you get cut, yeah,
Girl, a young lady.
by the school, that teacher there, and what them do,
It's not a teacher, it's
It's
a
a
police.
police,
Superintendent.
whoever cut
To be
the ear,
specific. Yeah.
but now I'm losing job in the kind of that police now. But you see the
They should.
the reprimand are the benefit the family gonna get. If you sweep that on the carpet, it's not great, but as some form of win for the family and them trauma, you see me? What we mean it? It's the PMP. Portia get cussed every day so she can't breathe. Then post Spanish she can't breathe. She go look for people and tell them to go to jail.
Oh yeah, talk about pan a push out.
No, bro. This is out there. Like, no, I'm just saying it. Them must say she can't right.
Jesus
No, they chat
Christ.
basic about her, yeah. Portia just hold her own and do her thing. PJ, them say PJ as such man. Well, him one. People say this shit. You ever say anything about this hombre? Right or wrong?
Yeah.
Him
Look where you jail
fine.
fee.
Him have a dirty side.
Look where you
No.
talking
Right
because-
or wrong, police fine you. Him said, remember you know, him make that call. I know some of them secretary, him make that call. Say, yo, sergeant, blah, blah, dragon, go for them. A man post and say, bro, God, me a customer, me a 10 subject, come find me and give me a job.
Can't
Birds.
Can't find.
Birds. Make her get us because my uncle.
He agreed.
No, alright, in terms of Bro God,
Yeah.
before Bro God becomes Prime Minister, I meet him at Brixton, me and Shell and go down there for interview him. Well, I never we definitely that interview him.
They are
We'll
part
go-
of the team.
We're part of the team. And me see him do something where they kind of shaky and get the script and in throw a tantrum like a little baby and decide, say, halfway through the thing, in stop.
Gonna switch.
And we just scrap it and now. I never do mention nothing to you because obviously he got too power. But anyway, more want to say something about the Buju situation. Because when me a little youth, the way me was a fan of Buju Banton music, they used to call my uncle used to call me Buju. Literally call me Buju. Between the age of say about 8 to 12, a Buju then call me in a yard. Because every song will come out, me know if I start to finish. So here the problem I have with Buju Banton. Now, Buju Banton went away to prison for how much years? About 10 years him left?
About
For-
8, but
Eight.
one.
And his music before he went to Brazil was portraying a certain type of lifestyle, and you know we feel a little bit empowered when listening to music. Obviously, in God jail for whatever reason, in God jail for guilty, the system find him guilty. The problem with me have with Buju Banton, ever since Buju Banton come out back from prison, Buju Banton not address the fans or the public directly and tell we if in the guilty or what happened, and there's everything just like a big hush.
You was in God jail, say
No,
he was
no,
guilty.
no. It doesn't matter if you're being incarcerated. We understand the system might incarcerate you, but you have a duty to respond to the people them who
Did nobody ask?
support you.
I was gonna
Of
say that.
people ask him.
Who asked?
I've seen interview and he sidestepping.
No. Forget
Nobody
interview.
asked.
Me I talking in
No,
general.
but
All right.
I don't
The
hear no
streets.
interview
All
ask
right.
him.
All right. Well, an
No,
interview.
listen,
asked.
me-
Hold on,
Miss-
no. One
listen,
at
me
a
finish,
time,
let me
guys.
finish
One
it,
at a
let me
time.
finish
The streets
Rick,
are-
finish
This
your
shit,
point.
because Miss Coa interview
Blood clot.
over the internet.
That's right.
Listen, no man. I look for this.
Hey, that's a
because
word.
remember say Buju am an artist, you know. Well, I something when me take data art, you know. And when you go the first song when you come back, when you come back and do one song and say about what his song go again, man, when you release a day, man. I was
am artist,
buried alive or something like this.
That song there.
In basically I tell we saying guilty, but you know I tell me confused. So from there, so me lose
Wait.
respect.
That's your understanding of the song?
But Jagan,
Yeah.
That he's guilty?
No,
Hold on,
that's
sorry,
not my
not
understanding.
Wait,
No,
Brent, hold
the
on,
song
man,
is
bro,
kind of
hold
painting
on.
a picture. But me, I wonder. Remember, the songs are written just because of fictitious. People
Yeah.
cannot think
Right.
of things. So me
Or
not.
see other people's
Yeah, but me
situation.
not get that truth there from him. And it's like from him coming from prison, it's like, and then now me see my join politics as a Rasta man where I preach certain things from the DM in me born and I listen to Buju. And if you go do politics, and you go do politics. Start up whenever join the Rasta them up at NDM and try if you convince and your way or Rasta way. Why you go join?
But that
So-
not
so
power.
hold on.
That
So-
not
Boss.
that not power. It ain't power.
My boss,
That not power.
I wrong thing I look on because like the first thing one need to see
Yeah.
as a traditional Rastafari, if that's your complaint or that's your grief,
Yeah.
you should look and say from Buju forward or Buju shave. I remember Rasta man did rough and tough and shave them beard and thing.
You know, so me not even
See?
see that. It
Yeah.
just
So,
show me.
he
Me not
At
afraid
the
that.
end of the day, remember, you know, them used to
First
cuss
thing we
beanie
notice.
them and bun them out, say them a shave. And some Rasta with a shave. See?
Hygienic.
But now, you see, remember I'm having hearing about your height, you know, cut down smooth and, you know.
You know, me not even
Bah,
afraid.
bah,
You just
you
like
know.
give me an next
No, but
ammunition.
no. What's my time?
I'm just
Hold on,
saying,
remember.
just like a certain thing or certain religion, you have to modernize certain thing because certain practice
Yeah.
in this day and age kind of outdated. Anything we are doing, you can't work off of something were written in a 1980 whatever.
Yeah.
You have to modernize it now.
Yeah, but that's we're not talking
But Rick,
about
but Rick,
is
but Rick,
appearance.
but
We're
Rick.
talking about
Even like
is
the belief because
if you're gonna
certain
say one thing,
fictitious,
stick to it.
see
One
me?
at a time, please, guys. One at a
stick
time.
to it. If you say one thing, if you're gonna choose preach truth and right and equalness, stick to that. If
But
you're gonna
Rick.
say you want to be one gallis, stick with the gallis
Rick.
argument.
And
We work with it.
Rick, remember,
But Rick.
remember certain thing where you say him should address the people. Him.
Not
Remember-
just nobody.
Hold on. We don't know the full situation and
Of
terms
his
and condition
condition.
are released because some of the time, remember, you can incarcerate yourself by what you talk
All right.
and what you say. And you
But
can you can rat out other people because watch I know. Suppose if them are pretty smart deals and him go say, yo, yeah man, I true man, I drugs, me go to prison, I drugs, me myself true. That means say somebody when them a pray, them will lock him up because them a say, yeah man, I true.
A part of the situation. Jagan.
So,
Hold
I
on.
an
But
idea.
him do him time.
What on Rick?
No,
Rick.
it's not
Rick.
him alone.
Rick.
That's why I say some of the time it's a who about who you drag in the net.
Yeah, what
as
on
well.
Jagan Rick? You said yeah.
So everybody have them reason.
You say him sing a song about whatever, yeah? Before the man got jail, the man sing a song and do everything. Driver, don't stop at all. Actually, watch that video.
Yes.
But that video, basically, them must say, them help prosecute him. Like, look, the
That
one
was
added
evidence.
evidence towards him and sings there. The man literally tell us him myself in the song, don't stop at all. And one like car, that briefcase, say what you want to win.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we
What I
understand.
know,
but-
what I know. In God jail and do him time, as Dragon said, probably can certain things. But it's here or there. The man been for the last couple of years burning out GLP rapidly. Like when I say Rasta do nothing, 'cause with the rest of them quiet nowadays, this guy literally know and make a stand, bro. As you say, upgrade the situation. If you say that man there do fuckery, and I'm gonna come to lesser fuckery and make more greatness go on, you have to just put your car on the side and try a thing, bro.
But do you think he owes anybody an obligation?
No, he doesn't.
to
He's
the
a citizen.
situation?
He doesn't owe.
I'm asking Rick because of your statement earlier. You're
No.
saying him forward out of prison and him sidestep questions that were asked. Do you think as the Gargamel, as Buju Banton, he owes anybody an explanation for the reason why he went away or to explain, oh, yes, this is the situation, or yes, that's the reason why I went into prison?
Mark Murray doesn't owe a soul an apology or an explanation.
Okay.
But Buju Banton does owe to the people and that follow his music. Because that is the persona. You create a fan base, you create a niche, you create a set of people that follow you. Because what they were doing in those days, they had a lifestyle that we're kind of subscribing to. As a youth, we were kind of feeling that way.
Set up pace,
Instead of a Rasta way and a certain type of liberty.
I missed
And
the
you
stop
lot
it.
and some of
But
the
it's true.
some of the things them where it's traditional based is tied to Rastafarism.
Yeah.
Where so if you feel like you step out of the line, it's all right to choose and go where you want to go now. But
Yeah,
then
it's kinda
all right, if you go and just tell we say yo, that go on to be,
Right.
I make we know say all right, cool. When I saw it, I drop out. But you toward the line and I make we feel like say you're still there. So we are move.
Can I make a statement?
Shake it.
Before you go,
Can you get basically on the line?
I've tried to get him on
Misty,
the line.
make a
He
phone
hasn't
call.
responded.
Make a phone call.
Misty, make a phone
Um,
call. Make a phone call, Misty.
We have one next topic we want to talk still, no, because I have one topic and that topic
Misty,
here
make a phone
away-
call.
And we
Cause-
have an update on one of the topics that we said we're
The
going to talk
topic here
about.
away deep on my heart from what if I see it.
All right, go on.
I feel this going to I don't know about if anybody watching the Jamaican media space, a popular promoter
Oh, Jesus.
and a popular, what you call it, internet sensation nephew as well, been in a compromising position
Yeah.
or a compromising video found out. So a popular promoter in Portland has been exposed on a video by 2 girls walking out with 3 girls with a dildo. And then popular vlogger or entertainer Bada Cat nephew been shared in a video with him, a fingering back door.
Yeah, but you see certain things.
What at Jamaica?
How did this video reach on the internet first?
Somebody put it out.
And
Boy, no, it look like, you see when me look, it look like them are undercover a long time because remember, this thing, the one with Bada Cat nephew, whoever is on the receiving end of the phone, because they are saying before he might go out to them and wear be a pole and thing, and him say him have a girl a foreign, but them can't see the girl. Only thing them can see a picture with him and himself at their hotel. So them say it look like a one man him have, and it look like the man he was on the call with.
Well, to be honest,
Anyways.
I don't even care what they want to do, but me just I feel like say as certain people need to be responsible as well. Because if you see certain things, if me find a
Hold the
man,
line for us, caller. Hold
a
the
man
line.
video, I do certain things. Me not put that on the internet. Me not say dash that. Listen about a man and them real.
And there are other topics that we want to speak about. But caller, good evening. Thank you for joining us. Introduce yourselves.
So let's say the first natural mystic.
One and only natural mystic. What go on, my G?
There.
Cool. It looked like he run away a while ago about baby so forward. What was that?
Yeah, no, so we will soon drop, so.
Cool, no, man. Congrats, by the way.
And then someday, yeah.
Cool, no, man.
Why, is this the first one?
No, sir. I think when they pan gelding truck, me general, when they pan
I
gelding
don't
truck.
know, because mother tell us say, yo, then how you talk, so,
So strong.
Open that
strong.
So share your points about the whole Buju Banton situation.
Like I said in the comment section, Rasta in a JLP and PNP. I think for many who believe or who follow the tradition of Rasta, there is more of a hatred towards JLP because of the Coral Garden massacre, what we call Bad Friday, with Bustamante, who declared that he want all Rasta dead.
Yeah.
So that is a sore point for Rasta. So there are many Rasta who will say PNP because of that. They have many Rasta who don't say neither, but there's more of a hatred towards JLP. But if you see like Jamaica, the same as everywhere else in the world, they have conservative Labour.
Yeah.
They have conservative paints as the bad one, Labour paints as the good one. The two of them are devil. You have conservative and Republican, not conservative, Democrat and Republican. Yeah. Republican is painted as the bad one, Democrat is painted as the good one. The two of them are devils. The same with JLP and PNP. JLP is painted as the bad one, PNP is painted as the good one, but the two of them are devil. I will say this though, and this is the trick of politics. I'd probably say Andrew Onis is probably the worst prime minister in the history of Jamaica, the wickedest that I've ever witnessed and know about. But guess what? You see, whoever was the prime minister next will probably end up being the worst anyway.
But
because that's the way it goes. But you
Let
see,
me answer
Bojo,
this.
hold on. You see, Bojo now, Bojo come out of prison with a mindset of making money. Yeah.
Recouping that which he
Right.
has lost.
Me, they are Bojo show, and this was confusing to me because I know how this man used to stay. Yeah. We're there at the concert, and inside the venue, we was backstage VIP and media. The only food being served was KFC. Before Bush got prison, that could never happen.
It would have been item.
Only food, right? Not just they maybe would have had KFC for sponsorship, but they would have had other food.
Other food
on
available for
sale.
everybody else, right?
There was nothing else inside National Stadium. As you had to go outside to get something, but inside the stadium was that alone. I already coffee. He did the song with coffee in the video. You have gay flag flying in the video. So these are the things where his mentality, and every now and then, him head chip and him go up on life and start cuss. But really and truly, his intention and his aim is, like I said, is to recoup what he lost when he was in prison.
But hold on, Mr. Rastaman still I hold them limited about them now, them KFC and them something there.
No, but this is what I'm saying.
So me ask you, as a Rastaman
Rasta
now.
gone
Me ask you
to
as a
the dogs.
Rastaman. Well, as a Rastaman, you wanna go KFC and say, yo, give me a big deal.
No.
That's not
You not eat full.
You know what I'm saying? You
May I
see,
ask you,
Rasta,
do you
I'm
eat
saying,
meat?
hold on there, hold on there, hold on there, hold on there.
Mystic, do you eat
Hold on
meat?
there, bro, bro.
Wait.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Consume
May
chicken.
I ask you,
Let's
do
Listen,
you
me I say,
eat
'cause
let's
you try
beef.
get,
No.
Rasta
Mystic.
some why now. Hold on there, my general. Wait there. Hold on, hold
Yeah.
on.
Oh my
Yeah.
word.
No, you see Rasta. Remember, you have Bobo, you have 12 tribe,
Yeah.
you have Naya Bingi.
Mm-hmm.
Each order has different things. No, what I will
Yeah.
say is this:
Yeah, which one?
even a Rasta that will say they eat chicken, them not go KFC and go eat it. They would have killed them for and yam it. Yeah.
So you're killing a fall
You see
over here.
certain hold on there, hold on there.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm saying to you, you're not that person. What I'm saying to you is that Rasta has gone
I mean, yeah,
to the
reason
darks.
as Rasta
Yeah,
and Dragon a reason. Remember, one I
yeah.
time with
So,
apartheid fraternity, but because I couldn't
Give
live
Mystic a
up
brother,
to.
you know,
chance to
part of
respond.
fraternity. Remember your name Jagger,
May
Rasta
I
say
ask you,
lion,
watch you
Remember
know,
your Jagger and Rasta
do
say
you
lion. So
eat
we're not depend the same
meat? Do
fraternity
you
in
eat
general.
fowl? Do you eat chicken? Do you
Poultry.
got KFC?
Poultry.
Go buy a big deal. Or got Burger King, go buy a Whopper. Or them something that got McDonald's, go
Brother,
buy
me not,
one,
me not got them place there. What I'm saying to you
one Big
is,
Mac.
He
hold on
says
there.
no. He has said no.
Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I understand what I'm saying to you
Mhm.
is that it's like, all right, for example, Rebel Salute, yeah?
No, me ask
That
if I eat
keep.
meat, but don't
He
Well,
force
under
up
my
said
asking me.
general,
no.
I
He
answer
just
that
wants
already,
to
but you're trying
establish
to make
proof.
it personal
The
to
answer
me.
is,
What
me
I'm
not eat.
saying to
No,
you,
you see,
hold
you
on
not
there,
got
because you're not
KFC and them
listening.
something there. That's
Brother,
all I say. The
brother,
answer if you eat
I'm
meat.
trying to, remember, say, you're trying to be mixed up and trying to make
Me
a
not have to
point,
mix
yeah?
up, dog. Me just ask
So,
a
me
question. Me
make the
like
point,
answer.
and then, right, I'm going to answer a question. If you miss it, you miss it. What I'm saying to you is, a Bojo Bantan show,
Mm-hmm.
yeah? The majority of people who are at that show eat KFC. They eat meat. Them
So
probably
did
eat
you buy any?
swine too.
Did you buy any?
In VIP you don't have to purchase food, so I didn't eat any.
So
I went hungry for the whole show. I waited till I left and go outside and get a soup and whatever.
what
What
kind of
I'm
soup?
saying
Chicken
to you
soup?
is
Dragon.
what I'm saying to you is that if you
Yeah.
go to Rebel Salute,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
There
there
are
is ital
multiple
food,
stalls available with food.
multiple stalls with
Yeah.
ital food that you can purchase. Why? Because it's a Rastaman show. But do they sell meat there? Yes, because a lot of people there will eat meat. What I'm saying is for you to have a show, Buju Bantan,
Yeah.
who was for many years
World
the
renowned.
pinnacle of Rastafari, the person who we went to. You remember, say in the early 90s, where many of the artists, convert to Rasta. Buju Bantan was the pinnacle
Role
of that.
model.
And
No, early
even
90s,
when,
Buju
e-
Banton was great as Natty.
hold on there, even when the likes of Capleton and Sizzler have made some extreme slack songs over the years, Buju make some song, but if you listen to his songs, they're not slack like that. So Buju was always seen as the one that was maintaining a level. Cause nothing wrong with Rasta sing about the girls then, cause Rasta
Right.
love girls too.
Right.
But he maintained a level of dignity while doing it. So everybody had Buju Banton on that pedestal. So I'm saying even certain things, certain aspects, when you go to a Buju Banton show and him come out of prison, and the only thing you can eat is KFC, people will question that. And then everything that's happened after is a problem as well. So to me, what Buju Banton is doing now, I personally believe, as Russ
Shake it.
said, he's trying to recoup some of what, and again,
Rico,
Rasta
that's
change up
money you're talking about.
Yeah, it's
Mystic.
Money,
including.
Dragon.
money,
Yeah.
and
Mystic.
all dance all run now. You have to be in certain arenas.
Mystic. Can I ask a question
Yeah.
about that question with that statement? You say, Rasta hold them one and burn out whoever burn out, right?
Birds. Speaking of projector, you don't know it work.
Yo, you say Rasta.
Jaja.
Well, and Rasta hold them one and burn out, yeah?
I don't see you talking like, yo,
He's
man,
not
Dragon.
that. He's not that.
Dragon, give him a chance,
And
please.
then burn out and that, yeah. And you say Rasta not do politics. But you see when them are burn out politician and what them do, that is politics. Just saying. But you do it in a way where you say, nah,
No,
let
all
me
right,
finish.
I
Let
agree.
me finish. So for years, them a do them thing and burn out Babylon and them not use soap or water. So that's what them say. But anyway, that's here and there. So now Buju been doing videos about the corrupt, the whatever them say, Jim, not call her name. Whatever one day. Him probably thinks say no, but that's how to recuperate, me care about that. Him might think say, yo, him been doing it, people are ignore it. And people are say, yo, sure, Rasta thing feel because Rasta them not going to fire for our day, you see me? So him next step is still like this. If me going at the heart of the problem by say, yo, I ask somebody come want to change it doesn't mean he's a politician type person. It's just that him say, yo, if this are the impact me need to do, me gonna put my reputation upon the line in a sense of guess what Rasta say, yo, Rasta not do that, Rasta not do this. The point is the fact, yeah, the man go to show say, yo, that change need to be made. So when they keep
All right,
on
let me
attack,
show you this,
I'm
Greg.
gonna finish. When they keep on attack on line and attack on line, that's all that's happening. There's no action, there's word. So the man leave from noun to verb. You see me?
All right, you are going now. I think somebody did mention it a while ago. Yeah, there are Rasta in Jamaica who have political involvement and have political parties that they are starting and understanding how politics works. They know they're not going to win no election, but they're trying to canvas to get certain things pushed forward.
Yeah.
Butcher Banter would have been better off trying to promote and elevate that than the people. And here's why. Because there's certain issues when it comes to Jamaica and Rasta. Now, me know this. You might disagree with what I'm going to say right now.
Yeah,
Jamaica hates Rasta.
No?
Jamaica hates Rastafari. Yeah?
Why is that?
And it's deeply ingrained into the fabric of Jamaica, the hatred of Rasta. Hold on there, General. Hold on there.
Guys, let's
Hold on
finish
there.
this point, please.
It is deeply ingrained in the fabric of Jamaica, the hatred of Rastafari. Yeah? Now, one of the main reasons is Jamaica is a Christian country, and Christianity hates Rasta. That is a fact. Hold on there, General. When you talk, I allowed you to finish. And even when I interrupted,
I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that when you as Bojo Bantan defend PNP, when PNP gets into power and that hatred for Rasta is reinforced, like that's always going to happen. Every time we go to school, there's going to be some Rasta that's sent home because the school don't want him to have locks. Right? So when that happens on the PNP, the question will be now, what will Butcher Bantan then do in defense of Rasta? Because you have no worn your orange and you've gone up there to defend PNP. So when you know have to defend Rasta, when PNP feel Rasta, because you are the spokesperson now in that arena for Rasta, whether you like it or not.
Well, on in the fairness of time for the show, we don't have a lot of time to elaborate on this
15
story
seconds.
too long. But in terms of your point, there is some valid point, but some of them was invalid in a time where you say like school and that, because at NID, I remember say the school system and the politician and the government used to deal with things. Remember, things and times change, and a lot of that have to deal with slavery and our colonial past. So because things has changed now, and we are more modernizing, we are adapting certain levity and certain lifestyle from America and England and certain things. A lot of things are relaxed.
From Jagan.
Because even now, with the little school bag thing, you see, you them are wear done to go to school.
Fully.
And the Ministry of Education put out a statement say
it's not illegal.
It's illegal for the school to prevent kids from entering the school compound with that because of the bag. One time they would not come out and say that. One time, if them do it that, and no, because social media and the internet, it make the world small. So anything like this, it bring bad press to Jamaica and people up on Jamaica, like we are living in a backwards country.
Society.
So,
but brother, every year we have an issue with a Rasta going to school.
But no,
so Dunce is okay, but Rasta we have to question every year.
With Rasta we have an issue with just
them still have the girl. Them still have the girl with the police trimmed down at the station.
That was not a school. That was not a school situation.
I'm saying in general.
No, you say school, and we're talking about.
All right, the show soon done. I go search for the last time there was a school issue with.
What's the producer's name?
What's school
I'll
issue?
send it to you.
What's his name? There was a producer who had an issue, who he went against the ministry. They didn't want to accept accept his daughter because of the whole Rastafarian thing.
Because we have to understand this. Certain private institution and certain school.
What's his name? Virgo.
Some of these school, they're still trying to project this draconian rule onto society and to people, kids, which is not legal and it's not deemed legal. No, the ministry come out with a statement and say certain thing you can't turn away kids, because remember, I talk it all the time. So when we used to go to school, as when me hear reach like this, they must say want a trim.
Yeah.
And the Indian boy can't catch film up in a one and it down in them back.
Kind
Because them
of
say him
coolie.
ear pretty
Yeah.
and a coolie. But
So
you
I
know,
say go.
we move away from them slavery mentality there and them colonial mentality there.
Jamaica I move away from
Yeah.
nothing. Jamaica is
We
still
are
a
move away
slave
from it.
mentality.
Mystic,
country.
Mystic.
We don't have any more time,
no,
Breds.
10 seconds. Mystic, you see the mentality
Yeah.
we have here? Me not say it wrong, and me not say it right. But some of the time, you have to really left room for adoption and upgrade. Because the fight is not, as the Dragon say, the fight was what it was. The opposition them change them tactics, have to change yours to bro. If I upon line them, they upon line there. If I have to go in the place where you don't want to go for make a word there, Buju go there so now. You don't know what deal Buju struck with the PMP if them win. Boom, Buju do it
Shut
and
up deal with the devil.
well, it don't matter. They never each way. Buju goes up, boom, and the deal is struck. You find out your Rasta man get something, bro. Forever.
Breads, me I go jump off 5 phone, breads. Hold on there, me I go jump off 5 phone. I go jump off 5 phone. Hold on there, I'm gonna jump off the phone. I just wanna say this. You
Where
see,
you put the
if
phone
I
at?
lead, hold on there, if I lead a group of people to a mango tree and then me turn around and start eat banana, me have to tell them why me I eat banana now. I can't just start eat banana and left them at the mango tree.
you're a monkey.
That's all I'm gonna leave it
But,
as that.
but you not give the man a
Simple.
chance to explain.
If
You
they
just
go mango tree, there's one thing I want animal like.
He's gone.
oh, you see progress.
That's it.
You see progress
Because,
here.
you get me?
All right, Dragon, you see progress in our life.
Last 2 seconds.
Progress,
Breds and Dragon
work
and
with
Breds.
change. You cannot. I always tell people, when I talk about black people and white people, yeah, and I'm say, oh, white man are fire away. Right. Yes, cool. But if you don't want induction in the system we are run, you have to in the system for a chance to win. You can be outside of it, you can get some local victory. but
Yeah,
you-
Bush talk about that.
Well, no matter overall now.
Yeah, him talk about that.
Well, dog, when you're fighting a system, regardless of is it, you have to know the system
going
make
on?
up half
Press
to
and
try
check
and win.
what's on me and
Sometimes you have to actually be in the system for know it run so you can do it.
No, I agree with you. No, I agree with you. You have to do that.
Because
But
if you're in a system and go against it, you don't know what's going on. So sometimes you have to be that sheep there in the system and play your card and learn knowledge. When a white man
No,
want
you
to
can't be no sheep because me mutton and them something.
well,
no
I
youth.
like, bro, when a white man want to take over a situation, as them claims back in the day, them induction themselves in society, learn it,
Rasta
and find a
shake
way.
it.
And find a way of it, manipulate
Rasta
it.
shake it.
Well, the
man is
responses,
shaky, bro.
the responses about Buju Banton's appearance at the PMP rally and in support of the PMP party it's mixed. And I mean, we just have to follow the stories. If it is a case that we're going to get more reports on this, there are a whole heap of topics that we didn't get to talk about. With the whole liquor addy and the warrants and the police and whatever. He put out a song, Greatness. Go over and support it. Giving up views and opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's 5 minutes past of 11 o'clock. We want to thank each and everybody that is tuned in on our Instagram, Facebook Lives, as well as the TGM Radio UK's app. Thank you for joining us this evening. Thank you for participating. Everybody who called in, who dropped comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. Make sure that you follow us on YouTube more specifically to follow the notifications of getting our videos on a weekly basis. Please be reminded we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Cordon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and follow for more information on their weekly event. Dragon All Star?
Blood, Larry, look like we'll go viral tomorrow, you know.
Why?
Because we touch on like a topic and then say we shouldn't do it.
You stop it there.
But anyway,
yeah.
people,
Yeah.
love your brother, love your sister.
Night,
love
night.
ruling everything you do. Once I read a book, you know, don't be done seeing.
Fully.
That's why I left it.
See you guys next week.
No more.
Being positive, real
Take
power.
care.
I think,
Bye.
Yeah. Return.
Around me, came home 2 days, I had food around me. Sorry, mom, every show
All I
shoot
need is the
around me.
mullah. Nothing else. Live my life.